Polygamy is as old as the African tradition itself. It is a practice that commands a lot of respect in many African countries where the practice is deeply entrenched. In South Africa, debate on polygamy has been raging due to the lifestyle of President Jacob Zuma. In Swaziland, where the youthful King Mswati marries a wife every year, polygamy is a norm and no one in the country is raising eyebrows. But is polygamy still relevant in the 21st century? And is it an arrangement where women are equitably treated? This is the reason a human rights activist has gone to court seeking to end this age-old tradition. They argue that Article 21 of the Ugandan Constitution provides for equality of all persons before the law, a right they feel is not fulfilled under a polygamous arrangement.
Polygamy fuels violence against women, so it's really a natural progression. Polygamy and bride price we see as two very basic ingredients which continue to underscore women's subordinate position, entrench them in this inequality.
The director of programs at Mifumi, Uganda, Patrick Ndire, who swore an affidavit in support of the petition, supports this argument.
Polygamy is a loser's game, and everybody is a loser when it comes to polygamy. For starters, let's look at the fact that there's an absence of a social support mechanism, social security in Uganda.
But what about ordinary Ugandans? What do they think?
Polygamy should be abolished, regardless of the African setting, because the mentality in Africa is that ladies are so many more than the women, more than the men. This will only increase the AIDS scourge.
I support it because I can afford to care for two ladies.
I don't support polygamy because it causes conflict. That's why some women pour acid on their rivals.
One area where this petition was not well received was in the Muslim community. The Quran allows Muslims to marry up to 4 wives, and Muslim marriages too are legally recognized in the constitution.
The benchmark of this, the case, the rationale is equality. But for sure we equal. For us, as far as Islam is concerned, it's not an order, it's optional. It's allowed, but it's not a law. Now, I'm going to marry you. You know that I have a first wife. Do I coerce you? Do I put you, pistol so that you can marry me? Who elected them to legislate on that?
This plan to abolish polygamy touches at the very heart of most cultures in the country and is bound to be severely resisted by many men, most of whom are the key decision takers in families. Chris Ochamringa, NTV, Kampala Road.